What's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's episode, I've got an absolute banger of a tutorial. I'm going to take you through my top boxer step moves. Everyone out there seems to think that there is only one common boxer step, but I'm going to show you guys that there's so many different types of variations that all you young boxers, all you kind of aspiring boxers should be using. For those of you asking about the limited edition white and black rope, this is also back next week, guys. This is now launching with our hoodies, so please be sure to set that alarm. Next week, Saturday, we're going to get it. I'm going to be giving you the time, the exact time, and promo codes via email. So be sure to subscribe to that mailing list. Right, so stay tuned for the next clip. I'm going to run that intro as usual, and we're going to get it as always. Peace. Right, guys, so before we get right into the moves, I want to show you guys one thing. For every single one of these moves, if you find it difficult to get it right, I'm going to make sure you do. All you need to do is do your one-arm swings. I've got a tutorial on this on YouTube already. You can do your one-arm swings, and you're going to practice the footwork that I show you using your one-arm swings. Okay? That's going to allow you to execute these moves much more easily, much more fluidly. It gives you that timing. So please be sure to use that technique whilst you practice these moves coming up right now. Right, guys, welcome to the commentary. So this is going to be the first and most popular step I'm going to show you, which is the common boxer step. What you guys need to remember with this one is you need to stay light on your feet, on the balls of your feet. You're always going to keep those heels off the ground, guys. Check out my technique here. I'm shifting my weight from the left leg to the right leg. Always keeping my heels off the ground. And what's going to happen is one foot's going to drop down, and you're going to make sure you raise the other heel up. So one foot kind of points downwards, one toe points downwards, and the other heel comes up. That's what's going to give it that really cool, crisp look. Number 2 is the crisscross step. Very common, again, very popular step. But as you can see here, all we're going to do is make sure that we keep the legs nice and kind of close. I see a lot of mistakes where people are doing this move really wide apart. Their legs are crisscrossing really wide. It doesn't look really clean. It looks quite awkward. You just want to keep your knees nice and close together, nice and tight, always again on the balls of your feet. And what I like to do is just kind of keep my heels nicely raised, my toes pointing downwards, and that's what again is going to give it that nice aesthetic look. The toe kickouts, guys, number 3. Again, you're going to see Mayweather doing this. You're going to see a lot of boxers, a lot of guys who start skipping really like to do this move, and the reason is it just looks nice and clean. What you want to try and do is that the leg that kind of kicks out, I always like to touch the heel of that kick out leg on the floor as well. There you go, you can see it there in slow motion. Really cool move, guys. You want to get this involved in your routines. High knee step, guys. This is something that's not so common. I like to actually incorporate this move, but the reason why I like it is because it puts a lot more pressure on the kind of bouncing leg, because it's going to have to bounce kind of a couple of times, 3-4 times. You can see here I'm doing one-legged bounces, 1, 2, 3, and so on. You can do it for as many reps as you want, but you want to get that knee driving up. It's a really cool lower ab workout, but it's good for balance, stability, coordination, everything you associate with the jump rope. Right, the Mayweather step, number 5. This is quite difficult to explain, but what you want to try and do is incorporate the common boxer step, but you're going to just kind of include this little step to the side, so you're going to sort of look like you're jumping over the rope. Here you go, there's that little toe kicking out to the right, coming up now. And yeah, it's just a really cool common step that Mayweather uses, and it's going to take a little bit of practice, but just check out the slow motions. You use the common boxer step, but you're going to include this little toe kick out, but it goes lateral. So not in front of you, but lateral. This move just takes a lot of practice, guys, so stick with this one. Right, so finally is a bonus step I'm throwing in, which is my own footwork variation. But what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to basically bounce on one leg, and the other leg is going to come across you to the front. There you go, then laterally, and then it's going to come behind you laterally as well. So there's a lot of movement going on here, a lot of coordination, a lot of balance required. Try this one, guys. It's going to take a little bit of practice, but let me know how you get on down below. Right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Really quick, short, sharp tutorial. It's not going to be easy. You need to make sure you practice with the skipping rope, practice with your jump rope routines. The footwork element of skipping is the most important thing you need to learn. If you're ever going to learn how to do your crossovers, your double unders, your transitions, everything, that looks good, it all starts on the base, which is the footwork. So make sure you get these down, make sure you perfect them. If you found this video helpful, guys, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. That'd be really useful for me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, guys. Hit that bell, be notified first of my up and coming tutorials. All my OG subscribers out there, all the people who have subscribed to me over the months, over the years, are already skipping like absolute bosses, and I want you guys to follow in their footsteps. So make sure you subscribe right now, become a pro with the jump rope. Listen, guys, without further ado, I'm going to catch you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.